In a sensational murder, an Indigo station manager was shot dead by suspected sharpshooter in Patna. The airline executive Rupesh Kumar was returning home from Patna airport when the incident happened. According to eyewitnesses, Rupesh was waiting in his car outside the apartment when the bike-borne attackers opened fire at him. Rupesh took the last 6 bullets and Rupesh took at least 6 bullets and was rushed to the local hospital, but he succumbed to his injuries thereafter. The police have now registered a murder case and further investigations are underway. The attackers are still to be identified. An SIT has been formed to investigate the case. Initial investigations suggest that the murder may have been carried out by contract killers. The police say that the killers may have had inside help as they knew the exact moment and spot when Rupesh would return to his apartment. The killers also knew the way to flee after the crime scene.
निश्चित रूप से कार्रवाई होगी और सरकार को जो भी कदम उठाना होगा सरकार उठाएगी। देखिए, पुलिस लगी हुई है, हमारी भी बड़ी अधिकारियों से बात हुई है और निश्चित रूप से हम सबों की जो चिंता है और मैं मानता भी हूँ कि इस संबंध में हमारा जो पुलिस है वो जल्द से जल्द अपराधियों की गिरफ्तारी करेगी।
बिहार प्रशासन, बिहार पुलिस पूरी तरह से सक्षम है। कल से अधिकारी लग गए हैं। मुझे उम्मीद है कि अगले 3 से 5 दिनों में ये चीज़ों का उद्भेदन होगा। लेकिन ये चीज़ समझिए कि हम लोग को जब भी लगा है कि अगर ये चीज़ों के हमारे प्रशासन, हमने देरी नहीं किया है, चाहे किसी भी मामले में हो, हम केंद्र की एजेंसी हो या बिहार की एजेंसी, हमें इस बात की चिंता है कि जो सही तथ्य है वो सामने आए।
Rohit is now joining us, reporting from Patna, live on this story. Rohit, what are the police saying at the moment in terms of where does the investigation stand, and do they suspect anyone having enough motive to commit this particular crime? This is a gory murder that has taken place. Get us up to speed with the investigation.
Well, Chaiti, the police hands are empty at this point of time. They don't have any evidence, no clue as to who are the attackers in this entire murder case that has in fact shaken the state capital of Bihar yesterday. 7:15 in the evening, this incident happened right outside the house of Rupesh Kumar Singh when he returned from the airport back home. And how many assailants were there, this is also not clear. And what is more challenging is the fact that there was a CCTV that was there outside the apartment, but that CCTV was also not functional for the last 2 years. So basically it's a blind case at this point of time, and police is trying to investigate this entire case, but they have got no leads here. And what prima facie, it appears that it could be a case of hiring of supari killers, that is sharpshooters may have carried out this entire murder outside his residence, and they were paid money for this. But police right now are not very sure what could be the motive behind this entire murder case, and they are probing it. Though opposition parties have started demanding that a CBI inquiry should take place in this entire case. They say that the Patna police is not competent enough to probe this case. And I was speaking to the Deputy CM also a short while back, Tarkishore Prasad. He has assured that the culprits will be arrested soon. Nitish Kumar has taken cognizance of the matter, directed top cops of Patna to make a breakthrough in this entire case. But still, the investigation is going on and the police hands are completely empty right now.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.